Okay, so let us proceed. I will just use my user account in logging in. Let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I am here in Manila and I'm one of the software support in regards to the crewing use of the system. So we'll be discussing on how to actually since this is a refresher session, I would like to everyone, if you have your notes that you can ask me, or since you are using this system already, maybe we can do have a interaction, like what are your questions, how this works, or what do you prefer, Miss Nicole or the team? Because if I start, this is my point of view. If I start from the beginning, um, this should be not the refresher session. This will be
Mhm.
yeah. So what do you prefer, guys? An interaction, or I will start from the basic functionalities, like like you are new to the system.
Yes, the most issue that we are facing when it comes to the Japanese in charge, also to me as well, we cannot change the sign off dates. So they were able to put sign on dates and include them on the lineup, but if when they are going to change the sign off dates, we're not able to change the sign off dates. Is it because of our access is different than who's
Oh,
people on board?
okay, so that is a good question, or this good discussion for today. So I would like to ask, what is the error, or what screenshot or message of the error? How do you encounter the error? So I'm here in the crew list of the vessel. Then what are you trying to do? So I will replicate from my side. So if you sign off, right? If you are going to sign up the record,
Mhm.
correct? Okay. So
Yeah.
any nationality.
Maybe you can choose Japanese. Maybe you can use Japanese.
Okay. So if you sign off, okay. So
Yes.
signing off is like this one. Through change. So if you're going to sign up the seafarer, just put in the reason for sign off, the location where you're going to sign off, or the port, like for example, Japan or Yokohama. Okay, sample only. So if I'm going to sign up for this seafarer, like today, he's going to arrive, right? So click this one, sign up, and click the save button. So if I'm going to sign up this seafarer, um, I presume this will work on my end. However, on your side, do you encounter the error after clicking the save button?
So you so
Or do you want to share one of your screen, so that we can know, we can identify, we can troubleshoot the issues?
we just like to ask Miss Florite, all the people here in the office, do we have all the same access for everything?
Yeah. Yes. So I will check your access first. Can you still see my screen?
Wait, I'll just.
Okay, so
Can see now.
all right. So in here, this is our system user account for all the users. So everyone here has an access in ShipSure. So I would like to identify or to know what particular functionality in ShipSure that you cannot access, like what you have mentioned a while ago, that you encounter issues when signing off. So when I go to the crew list, when you sign up, is there an error? I would like to know, or can someone share your screen so that we can troubleshoot? Because from my side, this will be working fine, right? Can you share from your side?
Let me try my
Okay.
um
Okay, I can
so
see your screen.
like let's see, for example, financial manager. So crew change and the
Okay.
contract. And then
All right.
first will be the location. We
Correct.
need to put the location.
Yes, port or Nagoya.
The reception.
Okay. Then the date of sign off.
Sign off.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll try.
Sign off.
So
There
we
will be
just
no forwarded date because today is only May 23.
so sign off, but we cannot input date here.
So would the seafarer sign off today, May 23?
No,
When did
it's
he?
June 26. June 6. Let's say June 6.
No. You are going to extend the sign off date, right?
Okay, so we need to
Yes.
extend the sign off date
Date.
first.
Okay. Work.
Okay.
You need cancel.
Okay.
Okay. So for you to extend the sign off date, click the OB record. OB record beside transfer. OB record beside the transfer. That one. OB record. Okay. No. Cancel. OB record. Please cancel that one.
And OB.
Yes.
And then
Then click that one. Okay, so if you are going to extend the date, extend or to extend the date of the join, click the extension, how many days you're going to extend. So the extension date, put in any days. So if it's date or D for days, W for weeks, month, M per month. So if you put in days or numbers, then click the agreed by seafarer. So would it be valid until what date? Then fill out those boxes. Then the notes, what is the reason for extension?
So like for
Okay.
example, extend 14 days.
Oh, yes. Then is it agreed or
And
extension reason?
what will be reason is other?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. And then
Oh, agreed by seafarer? Yes. Okay, then valid until. Yeah, so
until
it's okay because it will automatically adjust the estimated end date.
okay.
Yeah, that is not mandatory. All the asterisk boxes are mandatory. So if you put in extension days, it will automatically change the estimated end date and the days left. Okay, so put in notes what is the reason for extension. Yeah, then save. Okay. Oh, okay.
Yes.
So
Hey.
we did the extension. You can also length or shorten the contract length by like for example, from 84 days the seafarer will sign off 70 days only. So you can change the contract length. Yes.
Oh, I see. So before we can put the sign of date, we have to update the record first.
Correct.
Ah.
Okay, you can save it if it's the correct extension days. Then after saving, you go back to crew list, then let us see. Okay.
Miss Florife, for the planning office, is it okay if we put just Bishop's Leisure, or there's no
Yeah.
MOL here? So
Yeah.
it's just
Leisure.
as
Planning
is.
office. Yes, yes. Okay, you can save it.
Miss Florife, unfortunately, on my ship sure, I don't have MOL cruises here. However, for the Japanese in charge, they have MOL cruises. Let me see.
Um,
Ata. Oh,
oh, yeah, you can.
so we can also put, because the changes have been created here.
Yes, yes, you can change it as long as it is clickable and savable. Yeah. Okay.
So I'll try to save this one.
Okay. So, okay, you can save it, then you can modify if there is changes. Okay, then please note that the extension or sign or due relief has been changed.
And
Okay.
yes, it
So,
becomes July 20. So
yes,
so
yes.
the 2 weeks will count from today. 2 weeks.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So you no need for you to sign up today since we already put in the extension days.
ここからじゃなくて、名前をクリックして、で、OB 入れる。だから、どれぐらい延長する。で、そこからもう、ここに、タイムのベースが。
Look at Song fighting when they say temperature, say to can put in.
Okay. So,
We have questions because in my account, I have the third party agent here.
okay.
Here, third party agent. But in
Oh.
Ishisang's account, they don't have any third party agent. We are just worried what's the difference of that.
Okay. So the third party agent difference from other record is because Gonzales Dayan is the crew from is the crew supplied from Magsaysay. Yes. So regardless of whether you touch the any nationality, as long as that seafarer or crew is supplied by third party, it will show the company. Or like for example, yes, if for example you also touch the crew from Baikan or the crew from so it will show the correct or the assigned TPA company. Okay.
And
I have for a while. So since you extended Gonzales Dayan Erica, what the Magsaysay team in Manila wants is they wanted to be informed for any changes that you will make to their crew or records. Yes.
Yes, I will inform them.
Okay. because we touched that record and they will
Yes.
contact me again,
Yes.
email me, oh, what happened to this record? Someone changes without our permission or without us knowing.
Yes.
Yes.
Another question, Miss Marfe.
Mhm.
Do you have any ways on how we can see the log or who touches the account of the crew? Is there any features like that?
Yes, double click the record, Gonzales Diane Erica. Double
Mm-hmm.
click, okay? Double click, that is clickable, okay?
Uh-huh.
You will be directed to,
Mm-hmm.
aha,
Yeah.
yeah. The lags is not showing. There's supposed to be a lag tab in the,
Here.
yes. However, okay,
Yes.
okay. That's why I am asking for the account because my side,
Mm-hmm.
I using my account and the lag tab is showing. From your side, that
Mm-hmm.
is not showing. So I will
Mm-hmm.
make a note from here that you need the lag button or the
Yes.
lag tab.
Yes, please. For
Okay.
everyone in case.
Yes. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I will take note of that. So see my screen. I have a lag tab at the right left portion of my screen. This one, lag. Beside recruitment and lag. So for the lag, it will show who updated, when it is updated, or
Miss Florpe, we cannot see your screen.
okay. So here, I go back to crew list. Then we touched Gonzales, right?
Yes, Diane.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so Dayan. Okay, I'll double click. Then I will be routed to the personal details. This is the personal details information.
Mm-hmm.
Then here is the lag function, which,
Mm-hmm.
okay,
Yes, we
so
don't have that function.
yes. So whatever changes made,
Mm-hmm.
it will show up here. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I will take note of this function that you
Mm-hmm.
need the lag button.
書いて登録した人を
Okay. So we are in. Okay, we are.
Another question, Miss Florpe. Like,
Mhm.
for example, we register a new group.
Register or you create a new
Yes.
record.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, new record. But then
Okay.
we want to delete it.
Ah, you don't have access to delete. What you're going to do is to request us or email us to deactivate the account. Then it will be removed from the system. Actually, if you don't want, like for example, there are two questions there or two options. If you are going to uh, delete or not to assign the record under mall, you can
Mhm.
make the service history as left company if they are already signed up. Okay?
Mhm.
So just fill out the ad. Okay? Then you go to service history. Okay? Then there are several status that you can choose from this portion, service details. LC means left company. Okay? So, for example only, I will not save this one. So, you can set LC, no job available, no local content. Okay? So, you just choose the correct status. Then, when you search for that particular record, this would not be searchable. Unless, okay, that is one option. Unless you make the status again from LC to applicant. Okay? So the other thing, okay, option that is an option one. Then the other thing is there go to personal, general. Then you can actually remove or remove the, or yan, something like that. Remove this planning cell or mobilization cell for that particular team or mobilization team.
Oh, okay.
Or this one, you also change, can from mobilization office or remove this one, third party. Okay, so I will clear. Okay, so no one is owning Gonzales Dayan. So if you search it, it will be removed from PPA Magsaysay. It will be removed from mall. Or, okay, clear. You can clear those cells. Okay. So then click save. And the third option is if you requested us to deactivate the record totally, we will be the one to deactivate the record.
But how? Like for example, we remove all the details and we want to bring back the record.
Okay, so if you want to bring back the record again, create a request from us, email us, then we will reactivate back. Then assign to the proper third party or proper owner supplied or direct employment, whatever is convenient. Okay, so I will cancel this one because Miss Dayan is on board. You can also make the record restricted. Okay, but as what I've mentioned, any changes, the Magsaysay team, any changes made to the record, they must be informed. Okay. Do you have access to change? Can you double check from your end, Miss Nicole? Because I can change from my end. How about yours? Can you, is it clickable? This function?
General.
Yes, personal, general.
And then?
Yeah. You remove this one, third party, but do not save, okay? Make it clear.
It
The
does
supply
not
type.
appear. It does not appear on my page.
Supply type.
When I click the general, it's only basic, airport details, physical, employment. But I
Okay.
cannot pick anything.
So that the one that I showed to you, the management planning does not appear.
Not
And okay, and for the Japan crew, you want your office to be the one to manage those crew, right?
Let me check if the Japanese.
Yeah, Japanese, please. Yes, Japanese. Because this is owned by the third party, so you might not have access to the record of the management and planning details.
It's the same.
No management and planning details?
Yes.
So okay, so I will be requesting the management and plan. Okay, I note said it. Okay. How about the address and contacts? Do you access? Address and contacts like this one? Can you add Yeah, this one.
Miss Floripe, can we see your summary if we are seeing the same
Summary,
on our
summary.
end? Yes, the summary.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Summary. So from the current service, it will show the current service as financial manager, the start date and date, duration, the company, and port of joining. Okay? So the next assignment, since the Magsaysay team did not use or they did not notify the seafarer via the mobile app, there will be no next assignment, no planning available. So they did not plan. Okay, for the training booking, none as well. But if you click this one, CMS, okay, no CMS trainings, waivers, none. Okay, so for this one, the planning ledger or planning view, okay, so there is a debriefing due. Then this one, the task and the contact history. Please be noted that the contact history should always be filled out whenever you contacted the seafarer. For example, you contacted one Japanese crew, not to report to the office, just upload the documents via the B Crew app if they are using the B Crew app. Then for you to be able to know what are the communications between the office and the seafarer, you are going to go to the contacts function, contact history, then click the add button and fill out the necessary information or remarks on what has been communicated to the seafarer. For example, briefing, she is going to sign on. So, travel, safe, arrive at the hotel, something like that. Okay? So, you just need to fill out those mandatory information. The mandatory information are the asterisk one, the red one. And, okay, so scheduled contacts. Then, once saved, whatever additional contacts you added on this contact details form will be added here. So what is the importance of contact information? Of course, if someone is not available in the office and you are going to contact the seafarer, you will already know that, oh, this one, somebody has been contacted, the seafarer, Miss Diane, and she is now onboarding to the vessel, something like that. So those are very important in terms of communicating the seafarer or crew. Okay. Do you use B-Crew app for your seafarer in Japan? No or yes?
Yes, because
Okay, all right. So B-Crew app, if this is red, meaning the seafarer does not install or he doesn't have the B-Crew mobile on use. Yes. So this one, blue, the seafarer or the crew has installed B-Crew app. Okay? Okay. So for the Japanese crew, can I search for one Japanese crew? Okay, so your turn. Any questions or additional, yeah, or queries so that after your queries, I can add additional information. We will just finish your question so that everyone will be informed on how these things in ShipSure works. Miss Nicole?
yes.
Any other functionalities that you need to know?
Yes, checking.
Okay, all right.
Okay, so this is about like if we are inputting the position of the crew. Like for example, on in planning,
Record? Sorry?
yes,
What is the name?
Manabe.
Franco?
Manabe.
Aman.
MANAB. MANAB. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
And when they click on the plan crew,
Plan crew. So you're in
yes.
under the crew list, plan crew.
No, on the record of the crew. Yes, the one on the upper.
Okay,
That's
this
like
one.
yes, the
Plan
plan.
crew. Mm-hmm.
Yes, the rank like Mitsui. Mitsui Ocean Fuji. Yes, and then on the rank,
Ah, the rank is showing
they are
automatically master.
yes. Is it? Is there any way they can just look for a specific position, like for a
Mm.
waiter, or we really need to scroll down
Mhm.
there?
Yeah. However, for this function, para while. So plan crew. It will automatically appear the first rank or the number one rank, since this function, this is not the correct functionality on how you plan the crew or to
Mhm.
make his a reliever. So for you to uh, add the reliever, we will go to the crew list function under this one from this portion.
Mhm.
So this one, it will not show the rank because the design of the system is not to be the same
Not
rank.
not for
Yes.
position change.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Ano?
So if you're going like
Sa
for
positionの
Mhm.
変更じゃなくて、そこがプランリングですよね。その次の人にプランリングがって言ったら、もしポジションが変えたい、あれは違うところに。
上手の時のポジションを、例えば、これバーストロークでしょ。
うん。
バーストロークを見せるときに、なんとかスポーツさんですね。
うん。
いいって言っても、バーバーしかない。
バスケまで。Okay. So they are asking on that, yes, on that the account, because they want to have like, if they input letter B, it will automatically reflected the position that they are looking for. You know, it's like a search bar.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. And not scrolling.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think this plan reliever is designed for the B employees, but which is being, for the client, like for example, this is different vessel. You cannot see other vessels because
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So you have access. However, this should not be showing under client or the TPA, because it will, if you see, do you see any vessels on your end? Like for example, what I did, I typed in Seaway. Can you see? Meaning this is Manabe Misato.
No, we cannot see anything.
Yes. So I will note this
Mm-hmm.
access so that it will not, confuse on your end.
Mm-hmm.
You just go to the planning from here, planning details in crew list, like plan
Mm-hmm.
reliever. this one, plan reliever 1, or there is also a plan reliever here. So this one, if you're going to plan the same action or the same move, you're going to search for the crew who will relieve the current onboard. And for this one, this is an added functions that I think no need for you to show, since it will only confuse on your end. So I'll just note that it can be remove or just skip this function. Yan. Okay. To remove, or I will just update you if this will help in your case or in your end. Okay, so for the planning, you just go here, plan reliever, and make the planning activities. Do you plan, right? For the Japanese crew? So, for example, nationality. I can filter the nationality. Can I know what should be the department, or can we select? Yeah, okay, so this one. So for the Japanese, I am not seeing any planning for
Okay, Miss Floripe, if you can see, Manabe Misato is on the reliever side of bar steward.
Steward.
Bar steward.
Bar steward. Okay, okay. I'll go.
Yes. He is on the reliever side.
Reliever, he is on board. Manabe. This
on
one,
the reliever side, because on his screen, Manabe is on the reliever side. Can you update it once again? Because here on our system, she is on the reliever side.
Oh, really? From my
Yes.
side. From my side, he is on board from April 9 to January. So this is incorrect?
No. So what I noticed now in his system, Manabe signed on April 9.
Okay.
It's on board. Yes, that's right. However, Manabe's name is also on the reliever side.
Ah, okay. So
And
he is.
That's a mistake.
Can
His
you
record. Do you want me to share?
Yes, yes, please. Because I filter all the rank for bar steward, and I cannot see that
Yes,
Manabe is under the reliever side.
Yeah, can you press your refresh button?
Can you refresh, Miss Florife?
Okay. Refresh. Okay.
Still nothing. Let me see. Wait for a while.
None. Nothing.
Yes, for a while.
Are you going to share your screen?
Yes, we're going to share his screen.
Okay, sure. Mana. He is on board, okay. Manabe
Yes, he's on
Misato.
board, but his name is also on reliever side.
Let me check. Can you, where? You filter Okay, filter the bar steward. Bartender, bar steward. Okay, so I can see he is signed on or on board.
And then yes.
You do a planning.
Yes. How can we delete that?
Okay, so you double click. Okay, so double click. Go to Gantt view. Gantt view.
That view.
Yeah, Gantt view. Beside crew list tab and planning view. Gantt view. Up. Gantt view. Okay, Gantt baba. Gantt view. Yeah. Okay, so when you go to Gantt view, you can delete because you make advanced planning, right? Okay, so filter the bar steward.
Yes.
Okay.
Bar steward. Okay. So we need to remove all the checks.
Yeah, you can remove or you can search from the selection
Where is
below.
where is
You can clear po. Yeah. Bar steward. Is there a filter? Ay nothing. Bar steward. What department is bar steward? Okay. So Manabe. Yeah, that one. Manabe M. Okay. You right click. Can you right click? Right yeah, right click. Delete. Is there a delete option?
No. That's the only one.
Let me check from my end. Manabe. Bar steward.
Yes.
So, what department is bar steward? There are many department filter here. Bar steward. Like engineering, cadet, medical. I lessen my filter. So
yes,
it will
I think
show
number 296.
96
296.
to 96.
Sorry.
I cannot see bar. I will again offshore, seagoing, shop boutique. So bar steward is under what department? I don't know. Bar steward.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Bar steward, yes.
Manabe. Okay, I see.
That's on board. It's on board then.
Yeah, yeah. From my end, he's showing on board, and I cannot see that he is a reliever as from this one, right? Because we have different data. What is your version? 2.0 29152, right? Live is
How we can see the version? We don't even know how we can see the version.
this one. Here you go to this one left. Information button. 229,152, right? What?
2.29 Yes, we are the same version.
And application site Mumbai, right?
Glasgow.
Glasgow. But there is a replication. When does someone does someone plan Manabe today or yesterday? It doesn't the record doesn't replicate today only?
Yes.
That's why there is a replication delay because you're from West or Glasgow, I'm from East. So additional information for you guys, if the changes made in Glasgow server or the West server, it will not automatically, or this is not a real time. So that's why I am not seeing yet Manabe Misato, right? So that is the difference. There is a delay. So if you're going to remove the seafarer from the reliever side, I'll just remove it when it replicates, because for now the record is not here yet in East.
Okay, so from here we cannot do it in our system.
Yes, yes. I think that is only a function for the system ISD.
で、そこが出てきたら、そのプラリペーが
Delete.
うん、そうです。
こういうの間違えていちいち言わない。
So if ever like we mistakenly plan someone, so we don't have choice but to contact you always. Remove it.
But you can you right click plan reliever? There is a release button there. Another option. For example,
Plan reliever.
yes. Can we select one seafarer, then for a while. So this one, Kobayashi Yuka. Okay, so plan reliever. There is an option there to release the crew here or canceled. Can you see? Any
Yes.
record. So there is a plan button, plan proposed, canceled. So whenever you have mistakenly or you change or release the seafarer not to sign on or not to be the reliever for that particular onboard record, you are going to click this cancel option. Yes.
And then
And it will be removed from the reliever side.
and then it shows sub status. So we can just put other.
Yes, yes. Or change, something like that. Can you do it to Manabe? Right click, plan reliever, then cancel.
Let me share our screen again.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, something like
yeah.
canceled other mistake.
Yes, you can cancel.
Save.
Yeah. Save. Then save. Okay, so you go back to crew list. Please check, refresh, crew list. Then it has been removed, right? Okay, so go to crew list. Remove. Click the crew list button or the crew list function. Okay, then check if. Okay, so it disappeared now.
Yes.
So that's how you cancel the reliever. Okay.
Okay.
路線の入力するときに右側ずっと見て選択をして名前が入ってない方をクリックして入力。
You can also promote the seafarer on board. Do you know the functional already? If you're going to promote seafarer from this, no need for you to sign up the same vessel, but no need for you to sign up. You can promote. I will show you after our question and answer.
Miss Florence, please break for a while.
Okay.
Anytime about 7.
Okay?
This is this is
そうそう、それ聞きたかった。
誰かしらも入ってる。
吉さん。アップデートなんですけど、どんな感じで、それでさっき一個言いました。
鶴丸さんの下とか。
キャンセル。鶴丸さんの下、キャンセル。名前が入ってないから入れてないんだ。今度さ、クリエイトだけして、入れてないのかしてない。はい。
So they have question regarding the one on the screen.
Mm-hmm. There are duplicate or multiple relievers.
Mm-hmm.
Can you go to what's the rank? Guest services?
Yes.
That is the. Can you go click the second one, Korogi Azusa? Can you cancel the second? Okay, cancel. If you can cancel if that is not the reliever. If he's not the if she is not the reliever. So you can for multiple relievers. You can cancel those relievers if they are not the one to be.
They are asking Miss Lorifed because if you can see the screen,
Okay.
it has
Kaku. For the second and third, they will be relieving Kaku, Midori. So there are two relievers for one seafarer. So you need to choose one only.
If you can see, you have the reliever, but they don't have the name. So they're wondering how they can delete
Yes.
that as well.
There is no name because there are two relievers. Can you see the note, the number 2 note under status beside lineup and notes? There are two records. So for you to be able to see who will be the correct reliever, you need to cancel one. Choose who is the best suit or who is the best crew or who is the approved crew to be.
How are we
Delete.
going to
Right.
do that?
Okay, right click, plan reliever, then cancel. Plan reliever, okay. The same moves that we did earlier. You need to cancel the other record. So there are two for the second and third. I can see second. So Kuroyagi, Asusa, and Miyushi will be relieving Midori, Kaku. So the second and third person are relieving one on board. So you need to choose who from Korogi or Miyushi will relieve Kaku. So that the correct reliever will appear under the reliever side.
吉さんは6月2日乗船で、さんと黒木さんは19乗船。
You need to cancel the one reliever. There are two relievers for one on board.
Kaku and Kurogi is not a reliever. They are scheduled to join, so they are new.
Yes.
They are not going to relieve anyone.
Okay, so you cancel them. Click the cancel. So you're not going to plan this Kurogi and Miyushi? or Kaku?
全員あれ、だからオーバーラップっていうか、枠がないからオーバーラップ。
For you to do a clean up, you need to cancel all that relievers.
Okay, so we need to cancel all first.
Yes, please. Cancel. Then do, yeah. So is that the correct reliever, Kaku Midori, or I can see that he is also on board. Is he on board? Right? He's on board. Yeah. So you do advanced planning. You can cancel if it's incorrect or release or release.
That's correct. That's a correct file.
Okay. So can you go back to crew list? What is the okay? So
We still have another. We still have one. You can
Kaku.
notice it's
So
Fuka.
Kaku is the correct crew to be on board, right?
We also need to input it's on signer.
Yeah, there is no off signer. So you are going to sign on Kaku for that position, for that rank. If he is the correct one.
これから sign on. リリースしてる。
同
All of them are on signers. だからさっきの3人みんな乗る人です。乗る人のためにクリックした空欄がすでに隠れてる角緑さんになってたから、リリーバーになっちゃうんですよ。If you notice the name earlier, Kurogi and Miyoshi, they are all on signers, scheduled on signers.
Yeah.
But when
okay.
they schedule them, their name does not appear. It only appears like that, the blank one. So
Yeah. Yes, there because it is it doesn't appear I mean any record for the reliever because there is no sign on. There is no person on board for Kaku Midori. So if you are going to sign on Kaku Midori, he will be the one to be the crew as on board.
We want Kaku Midori to be on the left side.
Okay, we need to sign on, highlight the row. Okay. Highlight, okay, sign on. We are going to sign on this crew so that he will.
How are we going to sign on?
Okay, select Kaku Midori.
Yes, Kaku Midori, and then
Select the row. Do not click. Sorry. Okay,
Just
hover
the
your
row?
yeah. Okay, then crew change. Click the crew change. Yeah. Then put in the correct reason for location. Then Nagasaki. When he is going to onboard today?
19.
You change the date. Can you change the date? May 23. When did he sign on? May 19. Okay. Up. Can you change also the May 23? Okay. May 19. All right. So click the sign off. See what happened? Okay, save. Then he will be transferred to the sign on seafarers or the left side. That's how you sign on seafarer. So now he is signed on as guest service agent.
Mhm.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay, great.
And we still have this one blank one.
Okay, you right click again. Let us
Right
check
click.
who are those relievers. That's why can you right click? Okay. So let's see how many seafarers are there. So only one. May 19, 2025. Approve. Okay, can you go back to crew list? Maybe we can you try to, because probably the record is we can go to, is he going to sign on or is he the reliever for Churumanu? Chupuka. He's going, yeah. So if that is the case, that is the,
어려운 찬스. 찬스.
So if you can see the reliever Surumari Fuka, we want to delete them because he is already on board.
there is an overlapping. Okay. Yeah, can you go to plan reliever? No, plan
Mhm.
reliever. Okay, yeah, right click. Yeah, that one, plan reliever. It okay, so okay, just. Oh, can Kurugi Asusa? So there, he is overlapping the other one because that is the reason why that seafarer is still showing under the reliever side, though he is already signed off because the one on board isn't signed up yet. Can you go back to crew list? Okay, so because Yuran Nakano, you plan Kufuka to Yuran Nakano. So Yuran is still on board, right?
Yes.
Okay, so there is no issue there. Once Nuran Nakano sign up, the overlapping status there will be omitted or removed. Then,
Automatically.
correct. Yes, that's the design of the system. It is showing under the reliever, though he is the reliever as overlap for the current sign-on seafarer.
Yes, Miss Florife, if you can see Tsurumaru, who's online, Fuka, she is already disembarked.
Puka Churamo, he's already signed on.
Still on board.
No, she's still on board. I'm sorry.
She's still on board.
Yeah. So there is no issues there because they are both on board, Nakano and Churumaru.
Mhm.
And once you sign off Yuran, the name under the reliever side will disappear. So it's either
Okay.
yes. Because the logic is you plan the seafarer to Yuran. However, you did not sign off Yuran and you sign on Fuka. That's why the status is OB. So there is overlapping for the two department. So there
Sorry
were
to interrupt.
okay.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt because when we're going to search in the shipshore, Korogi should be on board already, but we cannot find her in the checked-in crew. Instead, if we search Korogi in the system, this Nakano Uran will appear. And if you're going to double click the OV in the status, the red OV, then you will see the record of Korogi.
Korogi, can you double click the Korogi?
The OV, the status OV in there, in status.
Can you click Miss Nicole? Or
Um,
hover your mouse. Hover your mouse under OB. Go. I'll double check from my end.
And then, yes, naka-hold on. Is this the right one?
Oh, okay, because from here on my side, Kurogi will appear. Yes, I'll check. Yeah, from my side, it's Kurogi will appear. And then here, Kurogi is not yet checked in
When
Shipshu.
when did the changes done?
On 9, supposed to be on 19.
Kurogi sign on 19th.
Yes. Together with Kako Midori, the one that we changed earlier as well.
Yes.
Guest service agent. I am checking from my end. Yes.
Okay,
guest
thank
service.
you.
However, since you changes this earlier, I think it will not be showing. Let me double check. So here, Puka is showing on board. Okay. Kurugi Asusa is on board as well. Miss Jane.
Yes, Miss Glorifish is on board.
However, okay, let me analyze. So, however, Miss Asusa is not showing on board. Okay. Let me check the second one. I think you did not sign up the Kuruga. I see. I can see. We can sign on, Miss Kuruga. So okay. So my question is, there are several guest service agent. Because I can see that you plan the seafarer to relieve Yuran and Fuka. So the other seafarer, Osusa, is still under the reliever for Fuka. Though Fuka will be signed off on July 13. And there is a vacant guest service agent which is supposed to be you that okay. I can see from my end. Can I share my screen? I share my
Yes,
screen.
please.
Okay. So to clear the confusion, okay? So this seafarer is correctly on board. Yuran, Puka, and Asusa, right?
Yes.
Okay, so however, Asusa has been planned or reliever to Puka. How there is another guest service agent here that you supposed to be. There is another one.
Yes.
But what we're going to do is to add guest service agent so that it will not confuse because there are many guest service agents. So what we're going to do,
Yes.
budget. You know this, how to do this, budgeted crew list to add.
No.
Okay, you go to budgeted crew list. Let us add, guess what's is it budgeted or extra honor, extra technical or training? What do you want me to select? Extra honor approve or budgeted? Okay, guess. I answer my own question. Guess. What's the position again? Guest service officer, right? Relation.
Agent. Yes, services agent.
agent.
Okay. So when the seafarer supposed to be signed on?
19.
19.
19. Okay, I'll just valid. Okay. Supposed to be. So if that is the case, if there are many ranks, go to budgeted crew list, then add. Okay. So add if you have access. And I think there you have access. Then
Um, so we cannot create an overlapping.
you can create overlapping. However, it will stay under the reliever. So to answer, yes, however, it will stay under the reliever side as long as you did not sign off the other sign on. So for you to omit this reliever and you are going to sign on the seafarer to proper or the other rank here. So if we want to omit Poruga, okay? So to resolve this one, we can cancel the planning and transfer to the correct or to the vacant position. So we can, are you okay
Yes.
to release? Is it
Yes.
okay to, okay, we can release or you can release from your side, mistake. Then you sign up Asusa to the one added birth that I did a while ago. Okay, so okay, so it will not show real time on your end. You can do from your end, then release or cancel, then sign on Asusa here on the vacant guest service agent that I've created. However, it will not appear. I think it will not appear real time. Can you refresh? Then do a planning, plan reliever, plan Asusa as the correct date for plan. Then you can sign on. Do you get me, guys?
So,
Or
wait,
is it pa?
let me try. His last name is Kurogi.
Okay, I will stop sharing. You share your screen once more.
It still haven't reflected here.
Yeah, because you can add your own guest service agent. Let us just retain the other one that I've added. I can delete it from my end if you don't
Yes.
need.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
you do it on your end. Let us can you share?
We must cut it.
Miss Nicole is a Filipina?
Yes.
Okay.
And so we're sharing our screen. So
Yes po.
to
Okay.
create budgeted crew.
Budgeted crew list. Okay, you go to budgeted crew list. Okay, so click add button. Okay, guest relation agent. Type budgeted. Okay, valid prop. Okay, save. Go back to crew list tab. No. Yeah, that one. Okay. So you can see that there is an available group. Okay. So sign up from your end, Asusa, or release. Not sign up, sorry. Release or cancel. Then plan her to the added birth.
Asusa is get release.
Yes.
And then
Yeah, and then plan her to the added birth. Sorry, you na permission to plan reliever to the birth. Kindly on. Okay, so go back to budgeted crew list. I'll share add other information or additional information. Okay, the guest relation.
service.
Yes, the added birth. Select the guest relation. No, 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 no. Can you select the guest relation office, guest relation agent, the one that you added,
Guest service agent.
guest services agent. Yeah. Okay. Then edit. Click the edit function beside add. Yeah. Then check the client mall cruises. Can you plan? Pick the plan.
Plan.
Yes. Is it clickable? Yeah. Plan, approve, reject, crew change. Those 3 boxes. Can you try? Yeah. Okay, so for a while, I'll explain the logic there. So client and TP access, if you see that kind of issues, then try to click the plan, approve, and reject crew change boxes. Then if there are other nationalities, not only for the Japan, you need to add office. Like click here to add new item. The mobilization and TPA. I'll just click the box, no, click here, the box, okay, double click. Okay, so try to type in magsaysay. Sample only. If there is a record or crew that will be joining as guest relation or guest services agent as well, you are going to add the magsaysay company under that mobilization and TPA office. Okay. So for now, close X or click the X button because I think there is no guest relation agent. Click the X. Okay, you can, yeah, click that one, then save. So that is for additional information only. Then save and retry planning. Can you refresh, please? Because it is replicated already. You see the one that because I did changes here in East, right? I think that's the reason why. Yeah. Okay, you plan, select the guest services agent. Then do the planning now.
That side.
Yes.
On the left side, when there is okay.
Right. Yeah, correct. Click the plan reliever. Sorry, Donna. Why? Let me check. Earlier, Takashi can plan, right? Or is he a planner? Is he under Mitsui Ocean Puji?
Which one?
I mean, what happened? But early, can he plan for other seafarer?
Who is
The user account Takashi. Takashi.
Yes, Takahide.
Sorry. She can
Yes,
plan. She can plan, right?
Yes.
Let me double check here. His access, her access. Takashi.
Takahide. Ishii. His name is Takahide Ishii.
Takashi Ishii.
The name is Takahide.
Takahide. Okay,
Yes.
Takahide. First name is Takahide Ishii.
And Ishi is the last name.
Ishii is the last name. All right. So onboard crew manager, you guys has access with the same access with Nicole Segundo. Let me double check Nicole Segundo's access. Onboard crew manager. Oh yeah, you have the same access.
Mhm.
Uh, for a while. The name of the seafarer, again, Asusa, right?
Kurogi.
Okay, right.
Kurogi. Last name is Kurogi.
The name is
Azusa.
Asusa. Okay, Korogi Asusa, guest service, applicant, May 13. She is applicant for a while. I'm checking on my side.
She joined May 19th.
May 19.
Yes.
He is still planned here. It doesn't reflect date yet. She's showing plan under my from my end. However, the issue is there is the accesses. Can you try to plan to select different rank? Okay, see, okay, let's try again. Click the plan reliever. Can you select any?
Any other position?
Yes, please. Any position, other position. I think the reason is for there is a limited guest relation officer.
Yes, I do believe we have a limited.
Yes, that's the reason.
I think
Because
we cannot just add um another position on another rank.
however, from my end, I can plan. But to
Yes.
your access, you cannot.
You cannot
Okay.
unless it is budgeted or
Extra. Can you try extra? Budgeted crew list. Can you make it extra technical? I mean, extra owner approve, add. I will just correct it later or remove the added bird. Can you click add? Then make type the types. Yeah. Extra owner approve. Okay. So select guest relation, guest services. Guest services agent. Let us just try because from my end it works. Mall, save. Then go back to crew list tab. Okay, select the extra owner.
how can you know?
Yeah, right click, plan reliever. Let us double check.
Still.
So okay. Yeah. How can we make a resolution for that one? If you want, I can plan. However, you can still plan or return it back to the reliever side. But okay, I will note that because if that would be an issue, going forward, the seafarer that's supposed to be on board is showing overlap. Unless we remove that that I mean the one that's showing the message box for Takahide. Okay, I'll note. Takahide. Takahide issue on planning. Cannot plan added work. Okay, I note the issue, guys. I noted the issue. Okay. So do you want to, since Asusa is supposed to be signed on, do you want me to sign on from my end? I will.
Yes.
Okay. So
And then we have another signing on crew on
Mhm.
June 2, which we want to register.
okay. So, Miss Jane, so your contention is if the seafarer is not signed on, it will not show on the side, on vessel side, right? On board vessel, correct? Miss
Yes,
Jane?
correct.
Yes,
Correct.
okay. However, if we gonna sign on Asusa as on the side of the she will overlap the other seafarer. So would it be fine for you guys if I'll be the one to sign on Asusa on my end? So that okay. For now I'll do it while I'll investigate the issue of the user why she cannot plan the added work. Okay, I share my screen wrap. Okay. Then guide me on what date should be signed on. See, there is
Yeah, she signed on May 19.
okay, so to be clear, there is we should only touch the record. If you touch it or remove from your end, I cannot do anything from my end since it is showing as you cannot sign in or approve. See, you cannot approve already because you already removed from your end. So I'll just wait, or let us just wait for the replication to show the correct. Yeah. I cannot do anything because you already removed on your side. Yep. Okay. So I'll just noted it for that specific crew. So yeah, let's move on for now because you already changes from your side and I cannot do anything. It's I cannot approve or plan the record. Okay? So I just noted it so that it will show on onboard vessel. Okay? So moving forward, what other scenarios or issues you encounter on your side?
Jane, how about you, Jane?
I just want to double check what could be the possible reasons why, like for the crew, it's already updated in Shipshore, but it doesn't replicate on MXP.
Ah,
So,
the
so just
the
like
mm-hmm.
So just like for our movement on May 30, so we can already see here that we have about 16 crew signing on. But on MXP, we can only see one crew
The
since
reason,
yesterday.
okay, so the reason why, okay, let us go back to the email made by Colin. I saw that the issue there is when you guys encountered the error in our previous issues, there are both technical and administration issues. Some issues, like the TPA did not click the correct the passport or did not validate the passport. Can you give me one seafarer that's supposed to be that is already on board but not showing in MXP? I'll just double check the record.
No, not on board, but the on-signer. Those crew that is, yes, because it's also important for us, it's necessary for us because we have to export this report as well from MXP. And we need Shipshore and MXP to be balanced because we need to check in crew in both systems here on board.
Okay, can you send? I will just check. Who is that particular seafarer already on board that is not showing in MXP?
I mean, signing on. For the onboard one, it's okay right now. But for those upcoming crew, like signing on crew, like they already have this planned schedule. It's already approved here in Shipshore, but it doesn't replicate on MXP.
Okay, can you? What's the position order?
It's actually a lot of them.
One sample
Or
only.
maybe I can give you, okay.
Yeah, what's the position?
What is this? I already opened it earlier. Okay, I have here the list. So maybe we can try to check this dining steward, Lim, Eliza.
Dining steward.
Maybe because in Shipshire we don't have dining steward.
Yes.
Or maybe we can search the name Lim, Eliza. Yes.
Yes, that is buffet steward.
Buffet steward.
Yes.
But in MXP, what's the rank again? Dining.
No, I cannot see her on MXP.
You can, because what is the correct rank? Buffet or dining?
Buffet.
But you mentioned, Miss Jane, that she is dining.
Probably this is just for my list in here. Probably this
Yes.
issue with my list. But my concern is like right now, as you can see in Shipshore, we have 16 crew that is planned or approved to join on May 30th, but on MXP, only one replicated.
Okay, so let us compare. So for Lim Eliza, let me double check the document. Passport for 29. I am going to go back to the email of Colin because in the previous email, okay, so in here, crew records not being added timely. The reason for crew not appearing in the correct, okay, this is the reason, not being planned on the vessel in time. Crew documents, passport, seaman book, global IT not being added, crew profile, so required for MXP. MXP side, there is a rank code mapping issue that stop crew member being transferred to MXP. So, for number 4, Lim Eliza, is there a buffet steward in MXP?
I will check.
It should match based on this requirements. Can you
Yes, we
provide?
have.
You
Yes, we
have.
have
So
it on MXP. Yes.
can you provide one seafarer that is all sync in MXP? Who is that seafarer? What's the seafarer name?
The one that is already here on MXP.
Yes.
Jaline. Viala Jaline.
Bartender.
Am I correct? Viala? This one?
Yes,
Victory.
Victory India. First name, maybe yes, Viala. Last name Viala, Lyn.
Okay, bartender. So the rank, bartender. Viala Jeline. Viala Jeline is vacation. Okay. I am just thinking he is vacation. Miss Lim Eliza is applicant. Okay, so no issues. Let us check the mobilization or the assignment history. He is Lim Eliza is approved but not showing in MXP, right? So Viala Jeline is showing.
Yes, correct.
So bartender. Bartender. Approved. May 20. Plan date, May 30. Updated May
Yes,
20.
correct.
So they just updated the record only today.
Oh.
May 23, see? Then let us compare Biala Jeline. May 20, that's the reason. May 20.
Um,
May
I
20 and
think
mm, they just
yeah,
updated today. And per requirements of the MXP not being added timely. So meaning the seafarer should be added in timely manner, which is why the possible reason Lim Eliza is not showing in MXP today because they just did it today, right?
I think they did it also when you see the record below.
May
It's the same.
20,
Yeah, I
but
think they did it.
plan, not approved. Let us double check once more.
Okay.
So
Okay, sure.
here,
Thank you.
so they planned
Mhm.
Jeline on May 20 and approved the same date. However, compared to
Okay.
this seafarer, so we don't know why there are 3 days possible medical or document issues, right? So
Okay.
there is a 3 days interval. So who
Mhm.
is the other seafarer? So I think or I presume that the other 15 seafarers or 14
Is
has the same
are the
manner or
same.
issues. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe
So,
would you like to try one more?
okay, sure.
Uh, Teo, Tango India Oscar, family name,
Tango.
India Oscar. Ay, sorry, TIO.
Okay. Mm-mm.
O, okay, yeah.
Jonathan or Jose?
Jonathan Lim. Jim,
Okay.
sorry, the first one.
Okay. So let us double check. Okay, same issue. May
Oh, okay,
20
understood.
plan. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, now
So
it's
based
clear.
yeah,
Thank you.
so based on the requirements should be added timely in shipshore. Not being planned with best and time. Okay. So this we need to um remember these requirements so that it will not mix up any issues to the MXP
Okay,
and
thank you.
sure. Okay. You can also inform Rogel regarding that matter, Miss
Yes,
Lim.
I will. I will inform him.
Okay, so
I
what else, Miss Nicole and team? So you upload documents, right? So are you compliant, guys, in terms of adding documents or no, for this one? There are no documents. So I'm not sure if you are being tapped for the non-compliance issues with regard to the document upload. Because here, Asusa has only passport that being uploaded under document certificate function. Okay, so what else? Go back to crew list. New hire. So, yeah. For you to be able to know what are those this icon, just hover your mouse, new hire. Okay? So A, approve, plan. Then this one, temporary promotion. Okay, I have additional information for you. If you are going to promote a seafarer, like for example, from shore excursion, this one, then click the transfer function, sample only, the sample only, transfer. Okay, so from aircon engineer, he will be master, sample only. So from this one, Mitsui, no need for you to sign up the seafarer. In the whenever both seafarer is signed on, just click the transfer crew and you can promote the seafarer on board. Sample only. Okay, so sign on, then transfer. So from aircon engineer, Johansson Thomas will be promoted as master. Then click the transfer button and then fill out those corresponding correct dates. Okay? So no need for you to sign up the seafarer just to be promoted. In the crew list, you can promote onboard crew. Okay? So what else? Additional information again. Miss Nicole, are you still there? You guys? Yeah, okay. So additional information, you can also export the C crew list by clicking the export button. Okay, so you can also filter by date. Click more, date filter. This one, date filter. Then you can filter from May or 2024. Then select date range, search. So all the seafarers from January 2024 up to date will show. Okay, so the red icon contract are expired contracts. So I don't know if you guys from Japan and other TPA are printing contract from Shipshore because B ships or B employees contract is being generated from the Shipshore. Okay. So what else? Are you using line apps for signing off? Because there is a line up here that you can use. For example, there are 10 seafarers to be signed on in one port and the same agent. No need for you to perform crew change one by one. just go to line up, then create line up
Mhm.
and add all the records or all the crew that is going to sign on and sign off. Okay? So for all the on-signer, here are the on-signer for May 30. Then for the off-signers, none. So all these seafarers going to join on May 30 will be signed on in one click.
Mhm.
So see the difference if you go to crew list, then you are going to perform one by one. So compared to creating lineup, you can sign on all the seafarers in one click. Okay? So I don't know if you are using the lineup function. Okay? So plan to join, crew change. You can perform this crew change. Okay? So
And
what?
Miss Marife, one more
Mhm.
question.
Okay.
Could we still be able to retrieve the wages and salary of those crew who's already disembarked?
Sorry, what record is to be retrieved?
Wages, the salary,
Yes,
wages
yes,
and costs.
yes. So let us check. Can you provide one sample if you have one?
Like I mean, for all the crew,
Yes, because
or
okay, let me double check this one. However, okay, I don't know if Asusa is only new in this
maybe Dayan in
Dayan. Dayan, sorry,
Gonzales.
Gonzales. Okay, so for Gonzales, you go to service contracts. I don't know if you have access. Can you try on your end? So you can see here all the contracts made for Diane. So the tagging is no if she sign up like this one, April 14. So you can retrieve this contract or download contract. Let us document
Okay.
exists or edit
Yes,
contract.
because they don't upload copy of contract from Mansay
Mhm.
side.
Yes, yes. This is a question from Miss Nestle, I think yesterday or the other day.
Mhm. Yes.
You cannot download the contract because they did not upload the contract. However, you
No.
can print the contract by the print button. This
Mm.
one.
Yes,
This
and
one.
what we want to know is the wages and costs. If you can see, it has the details in there. So we
Mm-hmm.
want to know the value of the salary.
Yes. I also provided them because they requested it the other day. So the value is here. If you print the contract, this one, is this the one that you're asking? Like for example?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let me reiterate. So, okay. So for Gonzales, okay. Search Gonzales, go to service, contract. So that these are the previous contracts. Since they did not upload the contract or in the system, we cannot download any document. So what we're going to do, edit contract, click the edit one if you have access, then you can print via PDF. And that's the time you can see or appear how much is the basic and all the total wages of the seafarer.
Mm-hmm. I
Okay?
see.
There is other way. However, in the crew list, I don't know if you have access to pay. Because from here, under the pay tab, okay, so this one, I provided them the wages and COS.
Yes, yes, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I wanted. That's the list that I wanted.
Yeah, so you don't have access to pay, right?
Um, where can I see that?
Yes, pay. If you don't have access, I
No,
can
we don't have.
Oh, yeah. So, because this one has been, this came from your team or your office. So, if you want this one,
Uh-huh.
I can send you a copy or I can
Oh,
screenshot because there is no
oh,
export
okay.
button.
Yeah, okay, I see.
Okay. So, I sent it to Miss Nestle the other
Mhm.
day.
Okay, maybe I'll just get it from him, from her.
Yeah, this one. I can send it as well for you.
Mm-hmm.
Nicole Segundo. Okay, so that's it. What else? Over
From Jane.
information. Yeah.
So in case we have more questions, we can just send it to you.
Yes, yes. We can do another session if you still just take down notes. That's
Uh-huh.
what like what you did so that we
Mm-hmm.
have an interactive
Mm-hmm.
meetings like this or communication.
Okay. Mhm.
The questions are ready and we can discuss,
Mm.
right? So I provide as here in Manila, not only in Manila, we provide trainings, refresher session because every month we do have uh, updates in the system regarding what are going to be fixed, bug fixes, modification, module modification,
Mhm.
functionality added in the system. So
Mhm.
we did a refresher session to the users so that all or everyone will be gain informations on what
Mhm.
has been added. Okay?
Okay.
So I hope any questions, queries. I don't want to, your precious time because we only allotted 2 hours. By the
Mhm.
way, the system is being created 2018 until 2025. So 2 hours session is not enough to discuss all the functionalities. Yep.
Okay.
So,
I, yes.
mhm.
So if ever we have more additional, we can just send emails to you.
Mhm.
And yeah, I think that's it from our side now. And
Yeah.
how about Jane?